Talaf Samoa, Maro Soifua, Maro Langima, yeah, Mussolini Mangili from Malaysia. Ele kere skala e fia whaiakua. Ai, whamalulum, whako e se aku i malo ka kōku, upea whape, ala pa o papasau ko whafonga i lau karangoa kua. Ole, pālmea ia, fia karangoa kua i lākou, you know, o lākou o comments mai i whewhoi. I lau YouTube channel, a ko wa aingi lau YouTube channel. Ore kele yo negatives comments. Ai ma mafa yo upu. Ne. Ore ma kwa mafa upu. E pune au kou lau ko ia kau e manga ia, yeah. There's a way to express your opinion, but not those kind of words pe ole ufa ole. Nah, I don't want to say it. Le afo. Le awala mfain kako suje kako lango pe fake kavanga le. But now, your comments is very much respected. Okay, kango falo alo, kango like your lau comments, but kele fia reply aku. Sa, it's too much, too much. Now, if I pick it, if you see the video, at least say something nice. Even though you're angry, yeah, find a way to express your anger. Saunga upu. Nah, you know yourself. You know yourself very much more than anybody else. So, away fayanga kala o upuya, like, it's too much. All mamafa upua, ufa, como, efe, whatsoever. So please don't do that. Don't say that. Sorry, I didn't say that. People who, you know, your comments is very much respected. Honestly, I respect your comments, but at least if I'm maling ngana, madi ko fingan, yeah, pulau ko. I loi oe ke masangya oe ngame, yeah, then you can do it. It is so puli. You can do it. You can palau wale or whatsoever. But my advice is, okay, fayanga man. Okay, fayanga palau wale. Even if you are truly angry and stuff, you can say it like, you can say fuck, but don't say kefe whatsoever. I don't know what's the difference, but yeah, just humble advice, very humble advice.